Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you create groups on WhatsApp. It's going to be very simple. Just open WhatsApp and then you have to click here and now click on first option, new group, and now you have to select the participants. You can also search for them. For example, I have selected one participant, then click on this arrow. After that you have to give a name to the group. You can also set a profile picture for the group by clicking here. You can choose photo from emojis, or you can also choose your photo from gallery. After that, click on the tick. Now your group is created. You can send message to this. This is how you can create a group. If you want to add more participants, then click on group and then click on add participants, and now you can add more participants. This is how you can create groups in WhatsApp. Thank you everyone.